Hey everyone, so in this video we will forward to our next assignment, design UIN library fragment. So in last video we have one little problem. Just go to your toolbar is not working correctly. Just do one thing, just get support action bar dot set title, and title will be just leave it string. Okay, and just go to down and just control O to get a new method called on create option menu. Okay, our on create option is created. Just cut this and type get menu inflator dot inflator r dot menu dot and our toolbar name toolbar menu, and last is menu, and then return dot on create option menu and menu. Okay, now last thing is that we want switch case for menu. Just type on option item selected, it will appearance. Now we want switch case to switch our toolbar items like item dot get item id case number 1 r dot id dot first was the notification and the toast TOST. Now we will now just we are using toast, but next we will use activities. Okay, now second was we search toast is search, and the last one is account. id dot account toast is account. Okay, break. Okay, fine, our all three things are completed. Now just in the last, by default it will return something superb dot on option item selected item, and now in the last return false. So our whole thing is okay, I forget to terminate this. There is a problem. Yeah, where? Okay, we forgot one more thing, terminate. So our whole thing is completed. Now just in the library fragmentation XML file, this fragment library, we will create some options like history, your video, recently, watch later, वगैरह. Okay, so first of all I need just cut it down, and I want scroll view, this CROL scroller view. You know what is the meaning of scroller view? Whenever you scroll, the screen will be scroll. because I think we have more items, that's why. Okay, match parent width and height, and then will be fill view portal true, means our whole screen will be filled by this, and fit stem window, same meaning, fill all. If you're using different phones, it will optimize their screen according to them. Scroll bar none, and the last thing is okay, is completed. And now we want relative layout, match parent width with match parent and height web content. And now we want, okay, I will do this, just double tap and okay. Now we want linear layout, match parent web content, orientation is vertical, and now we want one last thing is that text view. It's a web content, and the ID was text, okay, and text is recent. Text size was 16 sp, and text color was Android black, and padding was 5 dp, and last merge start was 5 dp, and a merge top is 5 dp. Okay, now we want one last thing is in this part, recycler view. So this recycler view is just did okay, I will create and then I will show you. Web content and padding was 5 dp. Okay, recently means if we watch some videos, it will show in the recent recycler view. That's why we are creating a recycler view. Okay, later we will add our project to Firebase, then you will understand. dp, margin was top is also 5 dp, and the color background is the Android holy blue. Okay, I think something wrong. It's light. Later we will change if we have a problem. And now we want view, one dark line to show individual part of linear layout. Background is color divider, and margin was top is 15 dp, and ID was view, just closed. If you see, there is a line, little small line. Okay, so our this thing is completed. Just give ID to this linear layout. Okay, gone. ID was header, just simply. And now we want one more linear layout. What happened? Okay. What happened? Yeah, it's fine. Just create second linear layout. Match parent, web content, or it below to our header, and orientation is vertical, and just close. Now we want text view. One more time, web content, and text was be history, and text color was black, and text size was be 18 sp. Now we want padding was be 5 dp, and the drawable padding, this thing is new, is 20 dp. App, just click Alt plus enter, and drawable. What happened to this? Starting compression. Okay, prefix. Start compact. Okay, so there is a problem. Just remove this, and okay, it will saying that unexpected namespace prefix app found for text. One minute, just okay. So there is a problem. I think I am using something wrong. So I have to use Android and drawable start, and there you have to use icon, because I have old Android Studio as well as, and I am using that for various applications. That's why in old Android Studio just use app colon and drawable state compact. In new one is Android colon drawable start. So what Okay, so now our icon is came. Just type history, and this icon got a history. Just give a name of history and next and finish, and just use that history icon here. History. Okay, now we want at least 4 more like this. Just copy and paste, 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 paste. Now we want to change their text and icon. So second one is your videos. Okay, now third one is downloads, and fourth one is watch letter, and fifth one is liked videos. Perfect, but one thing is it. Okay, perfect. And the last thing is I forget, just capital H, history. Now we want at least 4 more icons. Just go and grab, let's go and grab new and vector asset, and click on this, and it will give you okay, we want a video icon. Okay, there is a one video cam, but it's in black. Perfect, go for it. Let's find any other one here. Okay, your video. Okay, so there is a black. I will change it, and I will give you a link of all the icons. Just see and download it. Video, your videos. There, your videos. Now third one is it's download, down arrow, just use this down arrow. Okay, download, and fourth one is watch later, is just a watch type. Okay, there is a black. Okay, I will give you a link of icons, and just go and download, because these icons are very black. You also use these icons, but I prefer to do something much better. Okay, last one is like. Okay, like. We want hard shape. Okay, like, no, hard shape is not there. Okay, if you want to find hard shape, hard. Okay, I will find favorite borders. Just click on favorite borders, like videos. Okay, so our whole thing is completed. Like videos. Perfect. Okay, perfect. And just one thing, last one thing do, just leave the history part and use margin top is 15 dp. Just copy this line and paste in all other download, watch later, and like. Okay, your videos. Okay, this one. Okay, perfect. 15, yeah, perfect. You can change this 15 to as your personal opinion. Okay, view. Oh, now is match parent 1 dp, and the color was, background was color divided, margin was 15 dp, and the id was big view, just 2 capital, and the later we used that was small case. And now just, okay, what is this? Okay, fold these two linear layout. Now we will use a relative layout for our playlist options, id and must be centered, and we want now two tags. One is text view, web content, just give the id was text 2, and now we want is text is playlist, text size was 16 sp, text color was black, and now we want is padding is 5 dp, and the margin starting was 5 dp, and the margin is top was 5 dp, and just close this one. And now we want a second text, just copy this text and paste in the below. So now the id was, just remove this id, or just give 3 id, match pattern, and the thing is new playlist, text color was, use this one, hashtag 2242 ef capital. The whole thing is okay, same padding may or height, the elegant, okay, elegant parent and is true. Okay, okay, just copy this linear layout, cut, paste into below, just check the id of this header, id was header 2, and just fold it, not working. paste and just use below id header 2. Okay, working fine. Now we want one last thing is recycler view for our playlist. Sorry, just match parent web content below id text 2 text 2 and text 3 in the same line, so use anyone. Padding was 5 dp, margin is start is 5 dp, and id was playlist underscore recycler view and the close. Okay, now our whole thing is completed, and this is library design UI. And now the last thing is we have to run this program. So now let's run this video, our program. So here is the YouTube clone, just open it, and here see our whole toolbar is came back. Oh, I'm very happy. Now our home tab is default, explore, add a video, subscription, and the last is library. So new playlist, and these are our 5 icons. And recently, so if we watch a video, it will came down for a proper width. We give it recycler view. So all fine, our whole thing is completed. Our toolbar is also working.